In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the interface language in Inkscape. If you prefer working in your native language or simply want to switch the software to English for tutorial purposes, this process is quick and easy. This guide is updated for the latest version of the software to ensure you follow the most efficient path. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to open the software and navigate to the Preferences menu. You can do this by clicking on Edit in the top menu bar and then selecting Preferences at the very bottom of the list. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P to open this dialog instantly. Once the Preferences window is open, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You will see a list of categories like Tools, Interface, and Behavior. Click on the category labeled Interface. This will open up a new pane on the right. Usually, the very first option you see in this pane is the Language drop-down menu. By default, Inkscape is set to System Default, which means it will automatically match the language settings of your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux installation. However, we want to change it manually. Click the drop-down menu and scroll through the extensive list of supported languages until you find your preferred choice. Now, here is the most important step that many people overlook. Once you select your new language, you will notice that nothing in the menus changes immediately. For the language shift to apply across all tools, dialog boxes, and menus, you must completely restart Inkscape. Close the software entirely and then launch it again. Upon reopening, the entire interface will be displayed in the language you selected. There are a few important things to keep in mind regarding this change. First, while the main core of Inkscape is translated into dozens of languages, not all third-party extensions or plugins are fully translated. If you see some English terms remaining after your switch, it is simply because that specific external tool lacks a translation file. Additionally, keep in mind that by following these steps, you can customize your workspace to perfectly suit your needs and improve your design workflow. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Inkscape interface language. If this video helped you, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.